Don't put your big coats away just yet, because this week is looking pretty chilly. Recently, the weather's been glorious, but that's thanks to this area of high pressure here. That is now retreating southwards as this area of low pressure sweeps its way to the north of us. Now, that's going to push plenty of unsettled weather across us. And look at the direction of the wind. They start to scream down from the north, dragging in some very cold air. It will be a chilly week. Don't forget to like and subscribe though, so you know when that warm weather is going to come back again. Now let's start with a look at this week's weather forecast with Tuesday morning. And for many of us in the south, it is going to be a misty, murky start, but this is where it's still relatively mild. This area of rain here, that's the leading edge of the cold air. So for Scotland, Northern Ireland, already in the cooler air here, and we will see a few showers around, some of those showers turning wintry over the higher ground. That area of wet weather gradually sinks its way southwards during the day on Tuesday and overnight on Tuesday as well. So by Wednesday, looks like we'll all just about be in that colder air. It will be a windy day on Wednesday. So although the temperatures may say 7 or 8, it will feel far colder than that. And those winds will be rattling in plenty of showers. Some of them will be heavy, maybe with some hail and thunder and some wintry weather over the higher ground as well. It will gradually begin to dry up from the north late on Wednesday, and that's because there's another weather system edging towards us. But with clear skies on Wednesday night, that's likely to be the coldest night of this cold snap. So starting Thursday, pretty chilly, and then clouds sweeping its way across us. Then we see the next weather system edge its way in, wet and windy in the northwest on Thursday. Elsewhere, largely dry, maybe a little bit of sunshine coming through, but then the rain sweeps across the rest of us as we head through the day on Friday. Saturday is also looking unsettled, but at the moment, it looks like Sunday we may see the temperatures begin to recover. So don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with the weather forecast.